This video, I'm going to show you how you can create these chapters or timestamp in the video. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump straight into my computer and let me show you how you can create chapters or timestamps in your YouTube video. Let's go. Okay, so now let's go to your computer and go to your YouTube account. You can do this in mobile or whatsoever, but I'm just going to show you in computer because it's similar way. Alright, just go to top right, go to YouTube Studio. What you want to do is you want to edit your video. Okay, which video do you want to edit? This is at your YouTube Studio. Go to content and find the video that you want to edit. So I already find the video that I want to edit. So this is the video that I want to edit, which is how to automatically share Instagram posts and stories to Facebook 2025. Quite cool. Alright. So now if you to watch this video, let me just turn off the mute this up. You can see that there's no like chapters. Alright. When there's chapters, you can see lines at this bar, and also you can see a timestamp here. But for now, there's none. So I'm going to show you how to do it. For this to work, you need to have at least 3 timestamps or 3 chapters in the video. And also for this to work, you need to have each chapter must at least be 10 seconds in length. And all chapter must start with 0.00. So actually I already marked the timeline for my videos. For example, my introduction will usually take from 0000 to 33 seconds. So basically it's until here. Yeah, 33 seconds. Before I go into my next chapter, which is to computer. And then when I go to my computer, then it will go to 33, I think, until 1 minute 58 seconds, where I'm done with the display or where I show my computer. Yeah, this is where I go to mobile. From this, you know how you're going to put your video into chapters. So actually, I already done it. I already have those chapters being written, but just to let you know, when you watch your video, you will know which timestamp your chapters are that you want people to follow through. So now let me just create a quick chapter here. Alright, just type here. I have the text ready for easy navigation. Just put it here. So for chapter, you have to start with 00000. So basically it's 00-00. Okay. And then you put in the details of the chapter. So I'm just going to do it very quickly. This is introduction. So automatically when you put 0000, they will know that the following numbers are all the chapters. You have to put them all together. So I have everything already planned out. So you can do that as well. So I even have the names of each of chapters already ready. So again, you need to prepare this ahead of time while you're uploading or while you're editing your video. Just make sure to check. Now this is where you put in your chapters. You can see here, start from 00. I have at least 3. So you can see I have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to have at least 3. You have to start with 00.00. I have to be at least 10 seconds. I have more than 10 seconds. Now you click on save. Okay, then you see the video now. I still don't have the chapters, right? When you refresh the video, there. Can you see the line here? It's a bit hard to see. You can see that when you scroll here, it's introduction. Then when you scroll here, you can see turn on automatic sharing. You can see here using mobile, using computer, using mobile. And you can see here cross-post Instagram to Facebook page using mobile. And then when you go to more, you can see when you click on this, you go to introduction straight away. When you click on 033, it will straight away jump to this chapter. When you click on 158, you go to this chapter. Click on 033, you go to this chapter. So yeah, so this is how you can do. Just remember these 3 things that you need. You need to start with 00.00. You need to have at least 3 chapters, and each chapter has to be 10 seconds long. And you need to have it in this format, and then you will have chapters or timestamp in your video. So yeah, so that's it. So that's how you can create timestamp or chapters for your YouTube video. If you like what I share and you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.